It's George from OCAM 4x4 here. Today we're going to install a 2018 Toyota Prado bonnet protector. Firstly, once you receive your item, great idea to just spread out all the goods inside, all the brackets, make sure it's all there and all accounted for. Just get the bonnet protector and just make sure it actually aligns with the vehicle, as so. It then comes with two bonnet plugs. Just slot into there and there, just straight underneath the bonnet. You then grab the two larger bonnet clips, which are actually labelled with the letter B. They will line up with the bonnet plug. And it also comes with the clear padding. Just line that up, just there, and over the front of the bonnet. So when the clip goes on, the bonnet doesn't get damaged. You then grab a screw and it should just slot in and just do it hand tight. Repeat this process for the other clip. Once those two clips are installed, you've got to bring the bonnet down just there. Pick up the other three clear padding for the bonnet and just line the bonnet guard on top of the bonnet, just there. That is where we need to put the padding, so just lift it up. And just place it like that. Repeat this process for both wing clips as well. Connect those two brackets with the screw and a washer. So all you've got to do is line up the bonnet. You'll find that quite easy. They line up. Grab a washer and screw. Slot straight in there. Just finger tight. Repeat the process on the other side. Bonnet guard should now stay on, not too tight, and then you grab your third bracket with the letter A, just marked as there. And that one will just slot in right where we put the plastic protection on the bonnet, and that just pushes straight in and lines up with the hole. You can then screw that up the exact same way with the other two brackets, with just one washer and screw. You then should be able to do the same process with the wing clips. They will be marked with the letter C. You should be able to see where you've put the padding, and that clip just goes straight on. And the hole lines up. Repeat that process on the other side. Once you've put the final bracket on, it's a good idea to go around and make sure you've got them on nice and tight. And then close the bonnet. And as you can see, it's staying above the bonnet, not actually touching the bonnet. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.